Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items in Oblivion. To begin, you'll need at least 2 identical scrolls, such as the scroll of Icarian Flight and the specific item you wish to multiply. This method leverages a simple game mechanic, allowing you to create multiple copies of almost any non-quest item. We'll cover the precise steps to execute this glitch effectively and safely, ensuring you can gather resources or wealth with ease. Get ready to expand your inventory significantly. The core of this method involves selecting your chosen item, then quickly opening your inventory and selecting 2 or more of the same scroll. After closing your inventory, immediately drop the item you wish to duplicate. The game will then drop multiple copies, corresponding to the number of scrolls you had selected. For instance, selecting 10 scrolls will yield 10 duplicates. Practice this timing a few times to get it just right. To maximize your duplication efforts, you can repeat this process multiple times. While the game can handle dropping around 1,000 items at once, it's often more stable to duplicate in smaller batches, perhaps 50 to 100 items at a time. Remember to manage your inventory weight, as duplicated items will add to your burden. Consider using a nearby container to store your new riches efficiently. It's important to use this glitch responsibly. Duplicating an excessive number of items, especially thousands, can sometimes lead to game instability or crashes. Never attempt to duplicate quest items, as this can break your game progression. This technique is best suited for acquiring crafting materials, valuable gold, or rare consumables like potions. Enjoy your newfound abundance, but always save your game beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.